What's going on, guys? How are we all doing? Let me know in the comments who we got tonight. Whew. Yeah, I hear you on that one. Go Colts. Nope. Everybody, all the teams are paid for. Yeah, Allen's crazy. That sucked. I wish the Bills would have won too. I'm a Packer fan, so you can imagine how my weekend's going. All right, guys. We got a 2 first off the line hobby box break. I'll be 300 cards, 4 autos, and hopefully some good numbered cards. I know, Chris. Yep. Seahawks, Titans. Yeah, it was a crazy game. So I did a break of this last night, same break, and the night before as well. The best auto we've pulled so far, rookie-wise, is Amon-Ra St. Brown probably, I think we pulled last night. All the other autos have kind of been duds. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. I will do a review at the end, and the replay will be put up right after the break's done. All right, here we go. Good luck. We got a Derek Brown, JT, Harrison, Gaskin, DK. Our first silver Mosaic is an AJ Brown. Our first red, Mac Jones red debut. Beautiful. Patriots. Nice hit. John Randall, Stairmasters. We have an Overdrive, Jonathan Taylor. That is not numbered, but it is a Prism Mosaic, Jonathan Taylor. Kurt Warner, Russ, Diggs. There's a Parsons debut, Josh Palmer, and a Trey McKitty. Yeah, Pat's just got a nice hit. All right, pack 2. Bobby Tonyan, A-Rob, Brunel, Crosby, Jerome Bettis. Our second silver Mosaic is a Big Ben. Red, Trey Nixon. Patriots getting both red so far. Trey Nixon. Got a Russ Stairmasters. There's a center stage, Stafford. You said this break again tomorrow. No, this is the end of this. I'm doing a 12 Blaster Illusions tomorrow and then a 20 Blaster Illusions on Tuesday. Later tonight, I am doing a blaster case of Illusions. Got Jerry Rice, Peanut Tillman, Crowder, Fairley, Noah Gray, and another Fairley. Dwight Freeney, Joe Mixon, Leonard Williams, and a Dan Fouts. Yeah, nice base silver Mosaic Kirby. Silver Patrick Queen. There's an ETN blue chips. Aaron Jones montage. There's a... that was my dog. Najee Harris debut. Alvin Kamara, Brady, Jason Taylor, Udaguzua, Hunter Long, and our first auto, Vinny Testaverde. There's a random auto. Going to the Jets. Vinny Testaverde. OBJ, J.J. Watt, Gordon, Damian Harris, Derrick Henry, Blake Martinez, silver, and a silver Tommy Tremble, Panthers, rookie. Randy Moss. There we go. There's a silver Mosaic introductions, Devontae Smith. Nice hit, Eagles. Hopkins, Steve Young, Warren Moon, Nick Chubb, Patrick Surtain. There's a Zach Wilson base. That's it. That was a nice pack. All right, Peyton Manning, Mark Andrews, Devontae Adams, Plexico, Darren Waller. We have our first pink swirl. It is a Marshawn Lattimore. Pink swirl, that's 1 of 11. Marshawn Lattimore. Jalen Smith, Prism. Justin Jefferson montage. We have a Chris Carson, Silver Prism Overdrive. The Bus, Watson. There's a Trey Lance debut. Stafford, Javonte Williams, and a Sam Ellinger. Tyler Boyd, Kurt Warner, Keenan Allen, Deontay Johnson, Byron Jones. We got Silver Mosaic, Hunter Henry, one of the Patriots. Silver Prism, Kenneth Gainwell. There's a Jamar Chase, introductions. Devin White, Silver montage. Tua, Rashad Bateman, McCaffrey. Tom Brady, Scournick, and an Ode Bingo. Butcher that name. Should have one more auto, at least one more swirl, hopefully. David Montgomery, Mahomes, Otis Anderson, Austin Eckler, Minka. Ugh. They couldn't get this Henry Ruggs out of the checklist before the print run, huh? Silver Prism, Javon Holland. There's a Blue Chips, Justin Fields. Silver Stairmasters, Jalen Hurts. Another Herbie. Mac Jones debut. Rodgers, Peyton Manning, and a Christian Barmore with an Elijah Moore. Cortland Sutton, Jim Kelly, Ryan Fitzpatrick, and a Sam Darnold. The other auto there. Sean Alexander, Plexico Red, Dak, Dan Marino, ETN, Gibson, Drew Brees, Kurt Warner, Dwayne Eskridge, and a Smith Marset. We got for auto 2, Frank Darby. Going to the Falcons. Frank Darby. Jarvis Landry, Buda Baker, Devontae Parker, Tyler Lockett, Stephon Gilmore. A Ricky Williams silver, Daniel Sorensen silver, Tyreek Hill montage. Man, he's fast. That one touchdown he had tonight was crazy. There's a Men of Mastery silver prism, Mosaic prism, Josh Allen. Devontae Adams, Von Miller, Chris Long, James Robinson, Trey Lance base, and an Evan McPherson who's been really good this postseason. All right, we got last pack of box 1. Jerry Jeudy, Josh Allen, Kirk Cousins, Jamal Adams, Drew Brees, LaVisca. There's a green swirl of Jaws. Ron Jaworski, 6 of 11. Zeke Red, Russ Wilson. There's a James Harrison in it to win it. Thomas Davis, Derek Carr. There's a Pitts debut. Tom Brady, Jared Dokes, and a Nico Collins. Didn't hit the numbered ones. Didn't hit the autos really. Let's hope for a better second box here. All right, we got a Jamie Collins, Luke Kuechly, Marshawn Lattimore, Biletnikoff, Miles Sanders, Deontay Johnson, silver, DeForest Buckner, silver prism, Derrick Henry, Men of Mastery. There is a blue chips, Jamar Chase, blue chips. That's number 19 of 99. Nice hit, Bengals. Dan. Got that one, I think. Nook, Steve Young, Warren Moon, Nick Chubb, Stevenson, and a Felton. Like that blue chips. Jamar Chase. Looks like the blue prism look. Looks cool. Mari Cooper, Deion Jones, Leonard Floyd. We have an auto. And that Fred Warner. We got Byron Jones, red, James Harrison, Kyle Pitts, blue chips, Deshaun Watson. It's another Najee Harris debut. Kamara, Tom Brady, Jason Taylor, Peyton Turner, and Elijah Mitchell. And for the auto, we got Kwity Paye. First round pick, at least. Colts. Oh for 3 on autos being good hits. I guess Kwity Paye's his first round pick, but man. All right, CeeDee Lamb, J.K., Gronk, Kamara, Derek Carr, Darren Waller, silver, red, Peyton Manning, Joe Montana, Stairmasters. There's a Swagger, Chris Godwin, Prism, Joe Montana, Derek Brooks, Josh Jacobs, Surtain, Jamin Davis, and a Davis Mills base. Jeff Okudah, Shark, Prescott, Jaws, Aaron Donald, James Harrison, silver, Rashawn Slater, silver, Chargers, Dan Fouts, Barry Sanders, Stairmasters. DK, Marcus Allen, Elway, Kelsey, Chris Evans, Des Fitzpatrick. Calvin Ridley, Swift, Ayuk, Gibson, there's the other auto. Miles Gaskin, Silver, Silver Prism, Nook. There's a Pitts intro, Stephon Diggs, Tony debut, Aaron Jones, Brady, Tomlinson, Jalen Camp, Terrace Marshall. All right, auto number 2. Jeff Wilson. Running back for Niners. I know he's out for the year, I believe. Andre Johnson. There's a Joey B. base, second year card. Rodney Harrison, Cooper Kupp, Jerry Rice. Derrick Henry, green swirl. Will be numbered 3 of 11. Urlacher red. Tom Brady montage. There's a Zach Ertz in it to win it. The Bus, Watson, Trey Lance debut. Stafford, there's a Jamar Chase base. And a Koromoa. Yeah. Hawkinson, Ed Oliver, Cam Newton, Crowder, Dickerson, Plexico Silver. There's a Silver Prism, Kyle Trask. Not bad. Might start next year. Stafford, Men of Mastery, Silver, Ray Lewis. The GOAT, Jalen Waddle debut. Cousins, Ray Lewis, Darden, Marquez Stevenson. Well, the game Gabriel Davis had tonight, jeez. Ridiculous. Dave Johnson, Roquan. I'm sorry about that. I get water here. Joe Montana, Dalvin Cook, another pink swirl, Steve Young, Nick Chubb, AJ Brown, there's a Miles Sanders, silver overdrive, Walter Payton, Lamar, Zach Wilson debut, Kyler, Asante Samuel, there's a Mac Jones base. If you guys do win teams in my 20 Blaster Illusions break I'm doing later tonight, just shoot me a message and I'll send an updated invoice with combined shipping. Tyreek Hill, Dion, Ray Lewis, Justin Jefferson, Mike Evans. Chargers, Keenan Allen, silver mosaic. Got a tickle in my throat. ETN, red. Stairmasters, Mahomes. Center stage, Joe Montana. Kurt Warner, Russell Wilson, Stephon Diggs, Micah Parsons debut, De'Ami Brown, and Khalil Herbert. All right, last pack. I will do a review here at the end, and the replay will be put up right away. All right, let's make some last pack magic here. Koo, Barry Sanders and Edmonds, Tua, Russ, Sam Darnold, Silver Mosaic. There's a Quiddy Pay Prism. Fields Introductions, Barry Sanders Stairmasters, Tua, Rashad Bateman, McCaffrey, Brady, Shi Smith, Nashon Wright. Right. All right. Review time. Best card was like in the first or second pack. ETN Red, Stairmasters Mahomes, Steve Young Pink Swirl, number 211. We had a Silver Prism Kyle Trask, Waddle debut, Pitts Introductions, Rashawn Slater Silver Mosaic, Davis Mills, Pitts Blue Chips, Najee debut. We have the Jaws Green Swirl, Pitts debut, Men of Mastery Mosaic, Josh Allen, Silver Prism Kenneth Gainwell, Silver Mosaic Tremble, debut Najee, and a Trey Nixon red. We had a Fields Introductions, Zach Wilson debut, Mac Jones base, Green Swirl, Derrick Henry, numbered 3/11. Trey Lance debut, Jamar Chase base, Jeff Wilson auto, Quiddy Pay auto. We had the Blue Chips, Blue Prism, Jamar Chase, numbered to 99. I gotta let my dog out. Sorry about that. All right, Trey Lance base, Frank Darby auto, Blue Chips Fields, Mac Jones debut, intro of Chase, Pink Swirl Lattimore, debut Trey Lance, Silver Mosaic Devontae Smith intro, Zach Wilson base, Herbert Silver Mosaic, Vinny Testaverde auto, and the red debut Mac Jones card of the night. All right, like I said, once I hit end here, I will put the replay up right away. This will get shipped out tomorrow. I'm all caught up on shipping and on all my breaks. So yeah, I'll get it sorted out tomorrow morning and shipped to the post office. Feel free, like I said, if you guys do win teams in my Illusions Blaster case break coming up, you can shoot me a message and I will combine shipping. All right, thanks guys. Have a good night.